All right, welcome back to another prep session. It is Monday, August 17th, and we're gonna start on the 4-hour chart today. All right, let's see. So we don't have any gaps in here. We do have the next 4-hour SIBI up here. Let's see, that's 60.25 and that's 60.50. So that's a gap. All right, then in here, we obviously have this busy in here. That's 75.75, 75.75. All right, green. And then we got 92 flat, 92.50, a gap in here, 72.75. 250. Okay, so this is we're currently playing this one. We have yet another one in here, so quite a few bissies on the 4-hour and essentially no resistance in here. We'll mark up this high here. All right, 60 minutes. We obviously have trend liquidity here, but that's also London lunch, so I'm not gonna mark that up, just here. All right, we went lower, grabbed into that one. We can mark up the hourly here. Let's see, 80.75, 80.50, 75.75, 75.75. Okay, so this is our hourly. We perfectly tapped the C level here. That's nice. Hourly busy. Now we're coming back down into this range here, closed here, so our next one is essentially this one, busy. We can also mark up this one. Yeah, there's a lot of busies in here, definitely. 88.25, 88.50, so yet another busy in here. You can already see that shorting would probably be a really fucking dumb thing to do, but we definitely do have the end walk, which is always interesting, right? End walk, and we also have hourly busies which are not yet mitigated, right? So these might be interesting to the short side here. All right, with 10 a.m. we will probably get a new SIBI in here on an hourly basis. Let's check out the 15-minute. We took out these relative equal lows. That's nice, but again, we still have that end walk. Let's see, we currently have this one which we're playing on the 15-minute, and that's essentially it. There's a couple of more gaps up here, and then this one. Okay, so let's see. Obviously we are generally bullish, right? Essentially everything's bullish. The next straw is up here. We don't have any higher time frame resistance, but we also have that end walk, right? So what I could see, and we're down here now, is, respect that 15-minute SIBI in here, and then just move lower into this one here, into the end walk. Maybe we could look for a short in there, but I would definitely not prefer that. And then, expect a reversal of some sort all the way into trend liquidity. I would definitely prefer longs in here in that direction, right? But maybe we will be able to look for shorts into this one. And I'm pretty confident that we will look for mitigation into the end walk today, right? Let's quickly have a look at the financial news for this week, but I think we have no news Monday today, so we always have to watch out. My data also says that Monday is by far my worst trading day ever, so I'm definitely risk off on Mondays, and on top of that, we don't have any news today, meaning, give me a second here. We don't have any news on Monday, neither on Tuesdays. So we only have the fake FOMC on Wednesday. So not a lot going on this week, right? So yeah, I will look for these two, either shorts in here or longs into trend liquidity, but I'm generally risk off on Mondays, so I'll be careful, and I would recommend you to be careful as well. All right, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you for the trading session. If I'll not be trading, then I'll see you tomorrow. Good luck and good trading.